Hello, in this video we'll show you how to make outlines in Blender. Let's start. First we check the render, go to render menu, then select render image. No outlines appear. Let's add outlines to the render. Go to add menu and from light add sun. Press G and Z and move the sun up to the cube. Then press G and Y to move the sun back to the cube. Also rotate the sun so that the sun's ray cut the cube. Go to render properties and scroll down and check the freestyle. Go again to the render menu and select render image. The outlines appear. If you want to increase the thickness of the outlines, go again to the freestyle and from the drop-down list change the line thickness. Render the image again. That is all.